So I want to start from the step 1. So which is mean, let's turn it. Your side, Daniel's side is the outside of the door. So my side is inside of the door. So you can see the lines in front of you. So I'm gonna send Daniel a password. Let's see, Daniel is my you actually is my friend. I'm gonna send Daniel a smart. I'm gonna send Daniel a key. Do you have his phone beside you? No. Let's just set a key and tell him. Okay. Okay. Let's just so it's a long key. Let me read it for you. 044.
Okay, please with me.
044 238 22. Can you lock it?
Oh, please with me. Sorry, maybe I put the wrong number.
Let me just try to say it again. 044.
Sorry. 044
238 22.
Okay, open.
Oh, this is good. So we just show you the example, because let's say if you have some friends, some service people, the people who need to clean your house, who want to clean your house. The cleaner, yes, that's a good word. The cleaner, he wanted inside of your house, or some postman, you get your proof to inside of your house, or even your family, your friends. You just need to set. See my screen? So you see the button here, this one. Let me show you. I just press it again and put a little bit closer, and then let's do them again. Okay?
Okay.
I can put a little bit.
Press here, and then the number.
You see the number?
Automatically, the number is random.
Yeah, that is just a number. I just tell you 044 23822. Yeah. So you don't have to you don't have to show them again. I think we just showed it. And the really key function. You see the big key button in front of my screen, white one. The button is white one, but the lock is that blue one. Yeah. So if I press the button, let's see what happened. Yeah, press the button. Is it kind of the remote control, right?
Yeah, I think it's like a remote control.
Yeah. Let's just press it to see what happened. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Press. Oh no, this is a long press.
Okay, open.
I never touch it. Right? I never touch. Oh, it's locked now. So let me show you again how to. This button you can't just press the one. I think you just need to press a little bit longer. I think around 2-3 seconds. Let me show you Wingy. Okay, good. This is a good function. So this function is not like the others. A long press, could help you to avoid the mistouch. This is a great function.
Yes, and I would like to mention one point is that because this is Bluetooth locks, and if you need a Wi-Fi function, we have the gateway, the Wi-Fi gateway, like the router, something like the device. I think I already show in the last 2 days in some of the videos or the live show. Then the small one, and yes, the same function. If you need that, you need to buy extra, and then you can manage remotely. Even you can manage in everywhere. I can say in everywhere, right?
Yeah. So we have so many functions. Let me just show you one more time. I think I just missed to show you how to use the PIN number, how to use your password to access the door. So, Daniel, do you know my birthday? It's kind of personal information, so I don't want to show Daniel this kind of personal information. Let me just tell everyone.
I think I can call you guys. I can call to your girlfriend.
He don't know. She don't know. She don't know. Right. Okay. She doesn't know. Yeah. So I gotta press the. Actually, I changed a little bit. So I just show you how to use the password to get access to your door. This is really simple. Some people say that you don't have to show us. It's really simple. But I really want to show you because I think this is important. First, activate your panel. You see that? Activate it. Yeah, it's a little bit like there. So you just press your button there, press your top word, your password.
Because it's not shining, the password is not.
Oh.
It looks not shining because to save the power.
Oh, I think the color, the light illumination here is good. It's not too sharp, but it's not too dark. And you press the cross key there. Yeah, yes, I got accepted. This is a really great function because let me just tell you why I have two passwords. Because the first password I can share with Daniel, with my friends. You can let's just tell you the reason why the THX1. Why THX1 smart lock is my favorite. Not just because this one looks cool, not because this one is the color, because this one has a function. I think that is the Tuya app. The advantage, you can share your password with your friends. You can share you can set a period. Let's say someone just come to your house. He or she gonna stay in your house 1 week or a couple of weeks, or maybe even a couple of months. You can set this password. So you can tell him. So you can set this password for one time. He can use it in a long time period.
Yes,
let's see, a couple of weeks.
Also, you can check the records in app all the time. So I think it's good for you to check. Okay, if my kids arrive at home or stay home, or if my friends already outside my house. And you can check the details there, and there's no limits because we use the cloud, so you can check anytime. I think it's good function. It's safe.
Yeah, smart doesn't mean I mean the clever, but it means it could be more intelligence. It could record everything, and the really key point of the smart lock is to be more safe. Yes. So I just show you the Tuya app. So according, we just twist the button, unlock and lock the door. We get inside and get outside of the door. We do so many process. We do so many press there. So let me show you the record. Where the record. So you just press the button here. You can see the screen. Yeah, that is our record. Yeah, so you can open, see the
maybe Lily open.
Yeah.
The kids Daniel and.
Yeah, you can. It show you the time and it show you how. I mean. When you get inside of the door, or and what sort of the method you gotta use it. You gotta use a fingerprint, you use password. You gotta show you everything clear, and this is a good way. So, and also you can see there's a small button, not a button, small information. Maybe you can't see it in front of your screen. Let me read it for you. It show you the battery, how much battery you still have here in your smart lock. This is a good way. So if you ran out of your battery, you can see there, or maybe you can receive the alert message. You say, hey, you might need to change your new battery. So this is a good information. How many battery we put inside?
I think 4 batteries, and also we also have yes, we have the USB. We have the USB port. You can use the Angel cable here, the power bank, to get charged. If you for example, you forgot the battery already died. So for urgent, you can use the power bank to get charged first, and after you get into the room, and you can change it.
Okay, so can we do some little bit? Oh, did we show the client how to use the IC card to unlock the door?
Yes, here I would like to show you. Actually, people have a different preference. Some people like the wristband, the one like in my hand, or this one, or many designs. And another person like the old generations. They like the key card because I think it's old school. They like to keep the card. They prefer it.
I don't. Yeah, but that let me just check.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is you just mentioned T card, right? T card. So this is the T card. Daniel just said as those school. I think that is for the newest generation. I mean the young people who are 20, maybe 18 years old. But for someone like 40 or 50 or even 60, for them, IC card is I think most convenient.
Yes, because some of old generation they don't like to use the mobile, the phone to download app. Wow, this is quite new for them. But so they prefer to use car. Okay, like Daniel, could you please set the car for me, or just set the car? I don't want to use the mobile. It's okay. So I think car is a good alternative.
Yeah, how many IC card we can have? If I'm the new client, I bought your key. How many IC card have for each unit?
Normally we have 2 cards and 2 keys in the package, but if you need extra, you can feel free to contact us, and then we can you can buy some extra from us. It's not expensive, and normally in our experience, one family they need at least 5 cards.
5 IC, 5 T card.
5 or 6 key cards.
Yeah.
Because it's not enough. If they have few kids, they have parents, they have wife. I think family. Is family. So
yeah, I think IC card is the really great thing. This one is simple. I mean, do you have bank card? Let me just show you. I maybe have some card with me. This is my room card. This is the same size like the normal bank card, like HSBC Bank. Like how many banks we have here? HSBC. What bank?
China,
Bank of China. Yeah.
China.
Yeah. I'm sorry we don't know some other famous bank in the world. Not because I know another bank name, Citibank. Yeah, that is from America. So this is the side of the bank card. Though this side is our IC card. Let me just show you how small it is. It's really small. So you can put it in your wallet. You can put it with you in your pocket, or you can even put it, I think, your hand. If you don't like IC card, you can use this thing. What is this thing name?
The wristband.
Wristband. Yeah, wristband. Show them your. Tediton.
Yeah, I have this one.
Yeah.
You can have many designs, and this one is better because you can choose your size. You can choose the size. I think it's better. It's like smartwatch.
Yeah.
And also for this one, I don't like it because only one size. You need to have many sizes. So it depends, I think.
Yeah. Let me just show you how to use this. I just put my room card inside of my pocket. I just afraid maybe someone just stole it. Yeah. Let me just show you how to use IC card to unlock the door. I just put it a little bit closer. Yeah, you heard that? Yeah, it's unlocked. So the reason I said IC card, or somebody just call it T card is really important. Let's just show you why. So let's just pretend I'm the guy who maybe 70 or even 80 or even older than that. Let me just take off my glasses off. If I take my, I don't know, expensive glasses out, I can't see you clearly. If Daniel just in front of me, I don't think I can recognize his face. So if someone like me can't have good eyes or can't see everything clearly, or maybe a little bit older, so 80 or 90 or even 100 years old, I hope you can live as long as possible, but you can't live over than 500 years. So I can't see the password. I can't see because the password is really small. For old man, this is a hard thing to press the right number in few seconds. So if this thing happened, I think IC card is really important. Maybe I typed my wrong birthday. I'm old. I can't remember my birthday. I think I might miss my. I might even forgot my name. So I just put the card with me. So card, it can help me to unlock the door. So closed it, and I can get access to my home. This is a really great thing. Let me put my glasses back. So let me just really tell you. So IC card, this is not a beautiful card, but this is a very important card. If you lose it, you can still have mechanical keys. Can you show them mechanical key?
Yes.
How many keys we have?
2 keys in every package.
Yeah, 2 keys. Let me just give me one. Let me just show them. So Daniel, let's just pretend your side is the outside door because the client can show the logic here. So this is more good. So if you put it inside, so let's just say you just put it inside. Can you turn it? No. This is good. Yeah, just try turn it. Turn the handle. Turn the handle. You see here, there's no action, nothing there. So can you just turn your key?
Okay, let's try.
Yeah, it gives me a little turn. It's not huge. Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, that is if you see, keep twist the handle. Keep twist the handle.
Okay.
Yes. You see, now you can get access to your door. This is really good. I hope everyone don't use the key. I hope everyone do not use your key. I mean the mechanical key, because this is a really backup way. So if you miss you forgot your password, if you don't register your fingerprint, you don't put your IC card in your pocket. So mechanical key is a really backup plan. So this is main. I think this is the last way you can access the door.
The last way, and we normally suggest our customers to keep one key at home and keep one key maybe in the car or office. It's easier because sometimes you need use the key, but the key is at home. I think it happens sometimes. It doesn't happen. It's better to have two places to keep it.
Yeah. Let me just show you the key. This is not just normal key. You need to notice. You need to pay attention to the. I don't know. Let me just show you. You see, this way the pass there, in front and outside and other side. This is not just the normal keys. If you want to copy this key, if you want to duplicate this key, it's gonna take a little bit longer.
Yes, I do not suggest because if you need more keys, you can just tell us and we can help you. But I would say we will help you here. So you don't need to copy the key locally. Sometimes maybe it's convenient, but if you copy the key but cannot open the door or destroy the lock, so I think it's doesn't make it's not good. And okay, now I would like to mention the lock installations, and this happens a lot in from our customers. They all of them have one problem about the lock connection. And okay, can we have?
Okay. Steven, 明哥，帮我们把锁拿一下。I just asked my friend Steven. I think you just saw his video for a couple of days. He's a cool guy. He's young, like us. He's young. He's our friend and a very great colleague. I just asked him to bring something here. Just pull it a little bit. Yeah. Yes. He just bought us some this is generation 1. Yeah,
the first generation, this one.
Yes. Can you see that? Let me we just put it in my hand so you can see everything. So I have two parts here. This side, I think this side is inside the door handle, and this is the tube. How to say tube? Spindle. Tube spindle. Spindle. Sorry, tube spindle. And
here we would like to mention when people buy the locks from us,
they can see
when they get the locks, and they will connect the lock first, right? And I will explain you in this process, and to avoid any misunderstandings. It's not broken, it's not bad, the lock is okay, it's normal. Just you need to use it in proper instructions.
Yeah, Steve is really sweet.
Also,
he helped.
Can we connect this one? Connect first.
Yeah.
Connect first.
We just show you how to connect this. So Steven just help us to install the single motors. Yeah. So which side is the outside? Which side?
I think we can show the wrong way.
You want to show the wrong way?
The wrong way. I think this is very common
phenomenon.
Phenomenon or the problem. And people say, oh, why the lock is broken. Steven, can you show us?
Yeah, I just ask Steven here. So Steven is he really great at how to install and how to raw install raw install. Yeah. So I just bring Steven in front of you in the camera. So Steven, come on, join us.
Okay.
Yes.